Hello and welcome to this month's tips and tricks video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to combine multiple services within a treatment package in ClinicSense. By combining services into treatment packages, you're not just offering convenience, you're building stronger client relationships and a more robust business. Let's check it out. To create a treatment package, follow these steps. First, we'll navigate to the Sell tab, and under the Treatment Packages tab, we're going to click on the Setup tab. Here, we're going to click on the Create New Package button. Here, we'll type the package name. And we're going to select the first service for the treatment package. We're going to click on the service dropdown. And for this package, I'm going to choose first 60 minutes of massage therapy. Under the quantity field, I'm going to type two sessions. And I'm going to set up the price. I'm going to add a discounted price of $95. To add another service, we're going to click on the plus sign here. Here you can add a completely different service or another duration to the package. So we're going to add 30 minutes of massage therapy, 2 sessions, and a discounted price. We're going to click on the plus sign here again, and I'm going to include a totally different service for this package, the acupuncture service for 2 sessions as well, the price, and I'm going to add another duration for this package for the acupuncture service and the price. If you need to delete a service option, simply click on the delete icon here. After completing all the steps, click Save. And that's how you combine different services and durations within a treatment package in ClinicSense. Now you can start creating your customized treatment packages. If you have any questions or need additional assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to us support@clinicsense.com. Thank you for watching and see you next time.